Automatic top opening ring cartoning machine is suitable for various products such as coffee products, salt, macaroni, flour, milk powder, oatmeal, washing powder, chocolate, white sugar, brown sugar, bean products, pet food, vials, perfume bottles, hotel supplies, etc. The machine adopts PLC, inverter, rotary encoder, photoelectric sensor control and touch screen display. The machine has advanced control, reduces labor, has high efficiency and stable performance. The machine can also put irregular objects into the box, realizing the function that the side push cartoning machine cannot achieve. It combines the world's advanced technology with our company's strong design team, and has obtained many patent designs, which is deeply loved by domestic and foreign customers. The machine can realize linkage production with filling machines, multi-head combination scales, hot melt glue machines, cellophane wrapping machines, carton packer machines, and other equipment. If you are interested, please contact us.